So in this video, I'm going to review Vidnami. This is rebranded from Content Summarize. It's popularly known as Content Summarize, but now it's rebranded as Vidnami. So this software, you can create stunning videos for any businesses, and without you being on camera, and it has automatic voice also with different accents, so you can directly convert text into videos with screenplay, and it's very useful tool for creating stunning videos or creating some ads, converting your blog post into videos very easily. And it's a very popular tool, and currently it's available from for like a discounted price as well. So I'm going to reveal all full features of this software, as well as current pricing discounts that are available for this product, so that you can get it for a lesser price. So let's go into the details of this software. So as I mentioned, this is a video creation software without you being on camera, or without even recording your voice or video. So if you are shy on camera and you don't want to be on camera, this software is highly useful to create videos for content that you want to promote, or you want to create some ads, video ads for your paid advertisements or content promotion. This software is very useful. So you can create content videos, influencer videos, course videos, Facebook ads. You can do different type of ads, right? So it has automatic captions, so automatically transcribes clips and effortless create captions, intelligent clip selection. So based on the text, it will automatically select clips for your text. So you can as well modify it if you don't like it. So no video editing is necessary. It's automatically generate videos. You can create your own videos. You can customize it with your logo, choose color, select fonts, insert one clips and things like that. So you can as well add music to the background. So there's a lot of templates available. So that's why this software is highly useful for beginners. It's a beginner friendly. You can create like your first video within like a couple of minutes, and I will show you exactly how you can do this. There's a 14-day free trial for this software. I put a link in the description. You can click on the description and sign up for 14-day free trial to try it yourselves. So let me go into this software and show you how easy it is to create videos with simple options. So I will just log into my account. So this is the basic software, right? So there is a sale going on, 40% off, and midnight this Friday. So today is the last day for getting this sale, and this is the basic Vidnami software login. These are some of the videos I created. So we can start going in creating a new video. And so there is different formats available, what type of videos you want to create, content videos, right? So the content videos also, there is two formats. One is like rectangle format and other is a square format. So based on what platform you want to publish your video. So you want to create that kind of format. Most popular is a rectangle format. So sometimes for Instagram you want like a square format. You can create a square format videos, right? That influencer videos, right? These are different formats available. So you can pick any of the formats, modify it as per your requirement. You can create an ad, right? Different templates. You can create a sales page or sales letter, right? Course or training videos. So a lot of templates available and very useful software. And if you have like real estate or things like that, you can do property listing. Right? You can pick templates and create videos based on that. Let us see how we can convert a blog post into video. So I'm going to do a content video for you. So you can do like landscape 16:9 or square format. The square format, let's do a landscape one. And I'm going to do like a simple content video. Let's pick let's say this background. So we'll pick this style of video, right? It will be like this. This is a sample of how this looks. So we're going to use this template. Say I'm going to pick say some text, let's say affiliate marketing. I want to do a video on affiliate marketing. Right, let me pick some text here. I'll just pick a couple of lines from affiliate marketing just to give you a demo. Say, let's say pick these 3 lines, right? So we're trying to convert text into video. So we have like 3 sentences, right? So we can easily create these. So each sentence will be converted into a scene, right? So it will automatically convert each sentence into a scene, and we can see that what are the scenes created. So let's say affiliate marketing guide. So it's artificial intelligence engine will pick some interesting scenes. So it highlights this affiliate marketing is simply when you an affiliate refer. So this is the first scene created, and this is the second, or recommend a product or service to your audience. So you can actually highlight this instead of this. You can make it bold. So you can make as on board, right? So you can change it as per your requirement, which one you want to highlight, right, to your audience. So that's the first scene. So when a person buys the product, so it's basically showing it picked up like a scene based on this. So it's a buying, it's showing this, and you can have different words highlighted here. So if you want to highlight product, so you can highlight product and pick any of these scenes, right? Or if you want to highlight person, there is options available here. So we are giving options hereby. So you can choose any of these scenes if you don't like this scene. Suppose if you want to buy here, so you can pick that. Okay, that scene will be available, right? So you can customize it, and then the service you get a commission, right? So that's another scene. Then you can earn commissions from promoting So if you want commissions, right, there's different options available. You can pick which one you want, which makes sense, right? So this one, benefit from, and so making it a win-win for everyone involved, right? So commissions can be one-time payment. So if you don't like this, you can highlight this. Let's highlight this as commissions. So we don't want this, right? And click on commissions, commission. This is which is relevant, like payment. Yeah, so this makes sense. You can put this as money, right? One-time payment or recurring payments or annual payments, right? So you can make it as this also highlighted. So those are the scenes, right? Now see, it's automatically created these scenes for each of the wording, right? So we are done. So now we need to add a voice track. So you can do music only video. Your video is ready to preview. So you can do like music only video or auto voice, right? It will there is different auto voices you can select. Or you can have different, so there is a USA accent, UK, Australia, things like that. You can pick a sample. Or if you want to record your own voice, you can record here, or you can upload a pre-recorded voice from you, upload it here using a pre-recorded voice. So these are the supported formats. Let us record a auto voice, right? So if you want to record an auto voice, so this auto voice is available for paid subscribers. So if you are using a free trial, please use another option. So auto voice is for paid subscribers. So we want to do like record your own voice. So here, so for each scene we can record the voice, right? So let's click on the record. So affiliate marketing is simply when you, an affiliate, refer or recommend a product or service to your audience. Right, so it's recorded and we can play. So if you like it, you can just do next and record this second sentence, right? Let me finish all of them. When a person buys the product or service through you, you get a commission. So you can earn commissions for promoting a great product your audience can benefit from, making it a win-win for everyone involved. So I'm just completing all the scenes. So commissions can be one-time payment or recurring monthly or annual payment. Right? So now all the 4 scenes are recorded. So now we can preview the video. So now your video is getting generated. See how easy it is, right? You don't need to like create any scenes, or you need not be on the camera to create these videos. So this is a preview, so a little shaky, but it's good. So once it looks good, so we can generate the video. So it will prepare the video. Let's wait for it to complete, so we can see, download the video, and I can show it to you. So if you go for a pro version, you get auto voice as well, so you can pick a voice you like and start making videos without you being on camera, or without you being on camera or talking, creating these videos. So if you have a text, you can easily convert the text into videos, and you can add a music or add a voice, and your video is done. So it's simple as that. And because of this lot of templates available, the application, it makes very much useful software for content marketing, or running creating video ads, or you can as well create some video sales letters using this software. So that will be very convenient. As nowadays more and more videos are getting popular, so you cannot be staying away from creating videos, and this will be very useful software for creating good videos, professional videos. And I think there is discounts available on the software as well. One-time discount. I think this only available for this for today only. I'm not sure if this will be available when you watch this video, but you can still click on the link in the description, go to that trials page and check if any offers available. You can utilize them. So now your video is ready, so you can download and just use it wherever you want to use it. So this is the basic demo of Vidnami, and it's also known as content summary. So let me save it. So basically you can create multiple videos of content videos, influencer videos, instant ads. So best thing is a lot of templates available, so you don't need to look for what type of videos I need to create. Pick something you like and start creating videos. So that's all guys about Vidnami review, and I hope you like this review. If you like it, click on the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you want get notifications on latest videos that I upload, and share this video to your friends so that they also get the benefits of these wonderful software reviews that I provide. And so if you have any questions or comments, please put it in the comment section. I can reply to you as soon as possible.